Your home for the 60-second cocktail challenge, which today is a maple leaf. I'm sure you can try it with Canadian whiskey and it'll probably be just as delish. I got a few of my Canadian cocktail makers out there, Rob's Home Bar and Booze on the Rocks, and a couple of you guys. Try it out with some whiskey. Let me know what you guys think of the cocktail.
I'm gonna make a maple leaf cocktail in true Canadian fashion. Let's get into it. And you know what, Rob from Rob's Home Bar? Let's Canadianize something. I want to see you do this one even more Canadian style. Yeah, keep your stick on the ice, as Red Green used to say.
Well, you guessed it, guys. Today we are making the maple leaf cocktail, Canadian style. But let me just remove my toque and place it there. Okay, we are ready to roll. Now, I know this cocktail was made with bourbon. I love my Buffalo Trace, but you know what? If we're making this Canadian, we gotta go Canadian. And what greater way to do it than with the great one, 99 Wayne Gretzky Whiskey Red Cask. Now, as I always do on my channel, if I'm opening a new bottle, I gotta try it. So if you're watching at home, guys, this video is full of hidden Canadianisms. So play along, comment below, how many did you find? Good luck, eh? All right, cork. Love that sound. Okay, let's get ourselves a Glencairn. Pour ourselves a little bit. Now, there is an official Canadian whiskey Glencairn. I was not able to procure it in time for this video, so we're just going to use classic Glencairn. Okay, so let's give her a little sniff. Oh, it's maple, brown sugar, sweetness on the nose, really strong, slightly medicinal, but this is going to be a great substitute for the bourbon. All right, time for a sippy sip. It's mild. It's got a bit of a pepper bite. Good sweetness. Yeah, apparently it's a blend of wheat, rye, and corn. So yeah, it's going to play nicely in a nice substitute for the bourbon. We could just drink this all day, but we have a cocktail to make. All right, so let us begin. 2 ounces of our Canadian whiskey in the mixing glass. Oh, don't mind him. That's just my pet beaver. What? Every Canadian has one, right? All right, next up, we've got Canadian maple syrup, of course. The good stuff. ½ ounce. This time I'm pouring it first, before the citrus. Whenever you got a thick ingredient like syrup, you want to pour it first because all the residue in the jigger will get picked up by the next ingredient, which is going to be ½ ounce of lemon juice. Looking good. Next up, we're going to crack a cinnamon stick and drop it in the glass. And I'm going to be fancy pants here, and I'm going to add 2 dashes of ginger bitters, Canadian ginger bitters from the Dillon's distillery. I think it's going to add just a nice extra flavor and keeping in those fall spices. Get some ice, do a Canadian flippy move, which is the same as a regular flippy move, but you apologize while doing it. Sorry. Good 15-20 second shake. Now, another great YouTube mixologist, the Tribal Bar Guy, commented on David's video and said that a hockey puck would make a great coaster. I agree. So we will line up our hockey puck coaster, add a rocks glass, and then we're going to crack some ice on top. I was going to do an open pour, lost some ice there. I was going to do an open pour, but because that cinnamon stick in there, I don't think I want any bits of cinnamon. So we're going to double strain over some freshly cracked ice. You could use a large ice rock. You could serve this neat if you want. It doesn't really matter. Okay, let's double strain, as I mentioned, into our cocktail glass, into our rocks glass. That is, look at that color. That's fall. That's great. Okay, for garnish, we're going to do a cinnamon stick, but then we need something extraordinarily Canadian. I know. How about some Timbits? Oh yeah, we're going there. Okay, so open up. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Let's grab ourselves a cocktail skewer. Oh yeah. Let me grab a couple of these bad boys. think that one's pumpkin flavored. And of course, chocolate. And garnish your maple leaf cocktail. And there you have it, guys. There is the ultimate Canadian maple leaf cocktail. We've got the 99 whiskey, got our awesome fall flavors, we got our Timbits. Now, how does this guy taste? Now, this is a great cocktail. I mean, the richness of the maple syrup, the whiskey is awesome. I will say that cracking that cinnamon was a little heavy, made this a little heavy. I would have probably went with just half a cinnamon stick, or even just like a bar spoon of cinnamon syrup would have done a great job without overpowering. It's on the verge of being overpowering, but other than that, great cocktail. All right, so let's eat our booze-soaked Timbits. I've never done that before. These are great. All right, well, Vino, David, cheers to you guys. Don't forget to check out 60-second cocktails and Booze on the Rocks, linked in the description below. And David, come January, when we're up to our necks in snow, I will take you up on your challenge. I will meet you outside and make a cocktail out in the cold. Cheers, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit a like, leave a comment. How many Canadianisms did you find in this video? Down below, write, comment, share this drink with everyone. Sorry.